Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss analogy based on numbers. So basically we'll be dealing with numbers in this video and what kind of relations can be there in numbers. This is something really interesting that we should be aware of. Now what all possibilities are there? There could be addition, there could be subtraction, there could be squaring, there could be division. Whatever applications are there in mathematics, the same number of applications you can find in analogies related to mathematics or analogies related to numbers. तो ये आपकी स्क्रीन पर जो आप इस समय क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं ये है एसएससी सीजीएल 2015 का क्वेश्चन in which three numbers are given to you. You can see there are a set of three numbers 4:17. तो आपने पहले देखना है 4 और 17 में क्या रिलेशन है and then you have to find the same relation of 7 with another number. तो ये क्वेश्चन मार्क की जगह पर क्या नंबर आना चाहिए, that is what we are supposed to find out in this question. So if we observe this carefully, I find that if I square 4, I get 16 and if I add 1 to it, I get 17. So if I follow the same pattern with 7, squaring 7 gives me 49 and if I add 1 to it, I get 50. So do we have 50 as an option here? Yes, we do have. So option B will be the correct answer for this particular question. Let us now have a look at the second question for this video. This is a simple analogous pair, that is 12:144, and you have to find a pair which resembles this in its properties. So I know that the square of 12 is 144. So let us check this out. Is the square of 22 464? No. So option A is ruled out. Is the square of 20 400? Yes. So option B should be our correct answer, but still we'll check with option C and option D. Is the square of 15 135? No. Is the square of 10 140? Of course not. So we are left with only one possibility, that is option B, and because it shows the same properties as the given pair, we'll go with option B as our final answer. Let us now have a look at the third question for this video. We have been given a set of numbers, that is 6, 9 and 18. If I try to find the relation 6, 9 and 18, I find that all these three numbers that are given to us, they are multiples of 3. So 3 times 2 gives us 6, 3 times 3 gives us 9 and 3 times 6 gives us 18. So let us check if we find this property in the options that are given to us. Okay, let us check with option A first. The numbers are 14, 21 and 42. All these are multiples of 7. So if these are multiples of 7, 7 times 2 gives us 14. 7 times 3 gives us 21. And 7 times 6 gives us 42. So I find that the relation here is the same as given to us in the set, that is 6, 9, 18. So I think I have a strong feeling that option A should be the correct answer, but still we'll be checking with the remaining options as well. If we look at 8, 14 and 24, I feel that they are common multiples for 2. So 2 times 4 gives us 8, 2 times 7 gives us 14 and 2 times 12 gives us 24. So this is not in accordance with the given set. Then 10, 15, 35, all these three numbers given to us are multiples of 5. So 5 times 2 gives us 10, 5 times 3 gives us 15 and 5 times 7 gives us 35. Again, this is not in accordance because this should be 6 not 7. Then 18, 27 and 56, these three are again multiples of 3. 3 6 is 18, 3 9 is 27 and 56 is not a multiple of 3, I am afraid. So again, this is also ruled out. So we are left with just one correct possibility, that is option A, and that should be the final answer to this question. So I hope you found this video informative. If yes, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications for the upcoming videos. Also, like the video if you found this useful, share this with your friends and post your comments in the comment section.